Hi friends, we're talking about color mixing. You're going to figure out what yellow plus red, meaning you're going to mix yellow and red to figure out what color this is going to be. You can use these colors and watercolors. You can try it with markers. I do not think crayons will work, but try it, experiment, see what happens. You can pour cups of water that are these colors. You can put food coloring in there and see what happens. So you're going to do yellow and red, make what color? Blue and red, make what color? Blue and yellow, make what color? Figure it out. Then you're going to have a page. You can do this. You do not have to do this. Just color the leaves, whatever color it says below. This is a great way to learn the sounds of the first letter of the word, such as this one. It says brown. So brown. O, orange. Blue. Yellow. Red. Purple. This is for fun. This one, you really have to kind of pay attention. You might need some help from an adult with this one. The number 1 equals red. So you're going to look for all the number 1s. This one might be a little tricky because there are no number 1s on this sheet. How silly is that? So you're going to go to number 2. Number 2s are going to be blue. Have fun with this one. The same thing with this one. You're going to find number 1s and make them red. Number 3s and make them green. Have fun with that one. Again, the same thing with this one. Is it going to make a design? It's also a shape. What shapes do you see? This one is a triangle. Here's a triangle. Do they all make a shape? Not sure. Give it a try. Here's another one with some circles. But look, here's number 1 on this one. So keep going, follow this chart here and see what you can find on this page. And on this last one, it's the same thing. What shapes can you find that match the colors? This one is red for number 1. Have fun with this. Bye, friends.